Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the convection fan motor in your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws to release the upper rear access panel brace. Next, unthread all of the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Now lift up the front of the appliance and support it in the center. Unthread the 2 lower screws, securing the door retaining brackets to the frame. Open the door and unthread the upper screws securing the brackets. Rotate the hinge locks back. Loosen the brackets and use tape to help secure them to the door. Now partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Remove the oven racks. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws to release the convection fan baffle. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to unthread the convection blade nut clockwise to remove. Pull off the fan blade. Now use a number 2 square drive bit to unthread the 3 mounting screws securing the fan motor. Returning to the rear of the appliance, disconnect the wire connector, and you can fully remove the old fan motor. Prepare the new convection fan motor for installation by transferring the plate and insulation from the old motor to the new one. Now connect the wire connector and position the new motor on the rear panel. Have an assistant hold it in place as you thread the mounting screws to secure. Align the fan blade, then thread the nut counterclockwise and tighten. Reposition the baffle and replace the screws to hold it in place. Replace the oven racks. Support the front of the range, then reinstall the door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots. Reposition the retaining brackets and rotate the hinge locks forward. Rethread the upper screws to secure the brackets. Close the door and thread the two lower screws to fully secure the retaining brackets. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Replace the support cover if necessary, then reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Reposition the upper rear access brace and thread the screws to hold it in place. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.